Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Dia. I'm a photographer in San Diego living with my husband as recent empty nesters, and I just started creating vlogs. So this is only vlog number 2. If you watched my last vlog, I appreciate it, thank you. It was a silent vlog because I'm just trying to find my style and figure out how to do this. So I ended up not talking to the camera, mainly because I'm not used to talking to the camera, and when my husband's around, I get even weirder about talking to the camera. So I am going to try to put that aside this time and do a little bit of talking in between the different things that we do. This is gonna kind of be a week vlog, but not really a whole week. This is actually our trip to Arizona. My husband is gone right now, but when he gets back, we're gonna finish packing and then we're gonna take the dogs for a walk, and then we're heading to Arizona to help 2 of our children who go to ASU move into their new apartment that they got together. So we're gonna be gone from Monday through Thursday, and I just thought I would take you guys along with me. It has been so gloomy and yucky here in San Diego, and I'm so ready for some sun. I don't know if I'll regret it once I get there because it's been in the 90s there, but I'm really a solar powered person and I'm looking forward to the sunshine. I'm just sad that our dogs can't come with us because there's not enough room in the car. So we're taking some desks up to them, and my daughter is a freshman in college, so she left a lot of her stuff behind, but we're gonna go ahead and take her a lot of the stuff that she left here because she didn't have space for it in her dorm. She is still living in her dorm. We weren't planning on moving them until May or June, but my son needed to find a place sooner than he thought, so we went ahead and got them a place now. So we'll see what my daughter does. She says she wants to stay in the dorms, but I think once she kind of has a place of her own, she's gonna want to be going to the apartment and staying there too, so we'll see. As soon as my husband gets home, we are gonna pack ourselves some lunches so that we're not getting a bunch of junk food on the way up there. And I just got done talking to my son. He is going to get the key, and actually when we get there, I think him and my daughter will be at work, and they both work together too. So yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna finish packing. I hope you guys enjoy this sort of week in my life. How about Arizona moving trip in my life? Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and get this started.
Take a train ride just to see you. Ride for hours just to please you. You don't know how much I need you, 'cause you're my home away from home, away from home, away from being alone. Run away from home, why don't you? 'Cause I did the same just for you. You don't know.
So we finally made it to Arizona 6 hours later, and we picked up the key from my son so that we could take a quick little look through of the apartment before we started moving some of the stuff in. So here's a quick peek at their apartment. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment in Arizona. And here is my husband and I trying to figure out how we're gonna fit a bed in this room and what direction it should be, because this was supposed to be my daughter's room. Dying of sweat right now. It is almost 6 o'clock. We got to Arizona around 5, and then we had to go to our kids' work to go ahead and get the keys to their apartment. So we're in their apartment, and we had to bring that desk in here, which was really, really heavy, and then carry the rest of their stuff in here too. So I wanted warmer weather. It's like 88 right now. It's not even that hot, and I'm dying and I'm shaking really bad. So we're gonna go grab something to eat and then probably go mattress shopping, but I'll try to take you guys along.
I hope to make you my own before the train
Guys, so sorry, today is Wednesday. I don't even remember right now when the last time is that I recorded. I was hoping to record this entire trip and our little shopping trips to get everything for my kids for their first apartment, but it was just so overwhelming. We had so many things to get that you just really don't even think about until you're about to cook something and you realize you're missing something. So it was just really overwhelming because they had nothing. My daughter is coming from the dorms and she's still partially living in the dorms, so a lot of her stuff is still there. So we had to buy her like all new bathroom stuff. And then my son shared an apartment with some friends, and other than his couch, his TV, and a cup, like his TV stand, he left everything else there. So we had to buy everything. They needed beds, they needed dressers, they needed all the kitchen goodies, all the bath things, towels, soap, everything. They needed everything. So anyway, after a lot of running around, we finally got everything, I think. So my kids are at work right now, and my husband ran to the store to go get some ingredients for tonight's dinner. I'm gonna cook here for the kids so when they get home we can eat together. And let's see what else. Other than their shoe storage where they're gonna keep some of their shoes and their keys, we've built everything else. Everything else is done. I do need to build one more thing, and it's a desk that was given to me by a company on Amazon, and they asked me to review it. So I have a standing desk already, so I thought, why not give it to my son? He's always wanted a standing desk, so I'm gonna go ahead and build it for him. And he already built the chair for it. And I'm gonna build it for him, and then I'm gonna test it out and see how well it works and see what he thinks about it today. I'll actually be making a review video on it too, so keep an eye out for that if you're interested in a standing desk. Hopefully I can get this done before my husband gets here. Okay. You guys, this desk was so easy to build. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the video in the upper right-hand corner if you wanna check it out. Let's go ahead and do a quick tour of the kids' apartment. We purchased this mattress at Costco. It's a foam mattress, and we got the blankets at IKEA, the Squishmallow at Costco, and the smaller Squishmallow at Walmart. Over in this little corner, I brought a desk that I had purchased a while back from IKEA, and then we picked up a chair at HomeGoods, and these little plants are also from IKEA. This lamp is from Stella Lighting. I recently did a giveaway for this on my Instagram, and their lighting is perfect for workspaces. In the corner, we put this little cabinet that we picked up from IKEA, and she just puts her records up here, some Squishmallows that we bought for her, a couple of her favorite books, and her Harry Styles magazines. If you can't tell, my daughter loves Harry Styles. In the bathroom, she wanted to go with a pink theme, so we have a couple of pink accents. We got the towels and the rug from IKEA, but I got the shower curtain from Walmart. They went ahead and gave us another closet door. And over on this side of the room, we have another IKEA item. It is a dresser that I have in my home too. I have the one that is twice as wide as this. These things are so reasonably priced. They're very well built, and they hold a lot of clothes in them. This little basket was a last-minute purchase by my daughter at HomeGoods. And I don't know if you can see the bed right there, that wood. That is also a frame that we got from IKEA. I'll go ahead and leave a link to all of these items down below. And this is just a little cheap lamp that we got from Walmart for $10. She has this kind of walk-in, step-in closet. It houses the water heater, but there's still plenty of space for her to put all of her clothes. And over in the corner, we keep some extra towels and sheets and the stuff that we brought over from our apartment that she can now store in her apartment. Then we have this little dining room space, and we weren't able to find a little dinette yet, but we're gonna keep looking. But we did get them this shoe rack, also from IKEA, and it's gonna be the perfect place for them to stick their keys in so they don't lose them. And they can put their shoes in here. When guests come over, they can put their shoes in here. That way they don't all pile up at the front door. I had one of these in one of our past homes, and I loved it. It's just so sleek and minimal looking, and it houses a lot of shoes. And those little cactuses are also from IKEA. Then we have my son's room. This was originally gonna be my daughter's room, but he decided that he liked the setup of this room better. This bed is also from IKEA. The little bed frame is. I got the comforter from Home Goods. And his dresser and TV stand is the same as my daughter's from IKEA, but it's in black. And this is the desk that I put together from AOK Pro. It's either AOK Pro or AOK Pro, but he loves this desk and it fits perfectly in here. He also has a closet, but his isn't a walk-in closet, it's just a normal closet. The thing that we love about this apartment too is that they each have their own bathrooms. So this is his attached bathroom. And he was at work, so I decorated it for him. I just got this gray and white shower curtain from Walmart and then picked him up some towels from IKEA as well. And then we have their living room. He already had this sofa bed from his other apartment. This is the sofa bed that just about killed me carrying it up the stairs. The TV stand he brought, and then this is their little kitchen.
Had this conversation more than 10 times. After 9, I still wish you were mine.
My daughter and one of her best friends already made themselves comfortable in the bed. Okay guys, so that pretty much wraps up the vlog. This is me just saying goodbye to my kids at the end of the day. We probably left around 2 or 3 and we didn't get home until like 8 or 9 at night, and it was late and I was tired, so we didn't film any of that. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'm really trying to figure out how to do this vlog thing. I'm having a lot of fun with it, so even though they're not getting very many views, I'm gonna keep making them and hopefully I just keep getting better and better. If you guys liked this video, I would really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. If you wanna see more from me, be sure to subscribe. And if you wanna be notified whenever I post a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.